Hi there, Yogi Virendra Yogi, beloved friends. This information and the motivation and the ideas are flowing from GVK Vidyanilaya of GVK MRI campus. Just in the background you can see Manavratna Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, who is dedicated committed to serve the mankind with his all achievements. He is ready to give everything so that the people are happy. They are prosperous. They are healthy, wealthy and wise. And in every critical conditions, emergency is helping. But how to become such great men? There must be some kind of technique, there must be some kind of ideas, there must be some kind of formula. Beloved friends, greatness is not the monopoly of few. Anybody and everybody is blessed with the power of mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve. But the mind must be given some task, what is called the definition of purpose. If the mind is having some ideas or some kind of goal and some kind of destination, and then there is alliance partner, guru and guide to suggest and inspire the person to continue, persevere and persist, there will be no failure, there will be only success. This is proven fact. Just I let you know one of the great poem by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. And this poem was borrowed by James Allen when he wrote a beautiful book, As a Man Thinketh, and there he has included as a summary of the thought and circumstances, the will, the spirit. So, let me recite this poem for you. You will be what you will to be. You will be what you will to be. Let failure find its false content in the poor world environment. But spirit scorns it and is free. It masters times, it conquers a space. It cows the boastful trickster chance. It bids the tyrant circumstance and fill a servant place. Let me repeat. You will be what you will to be. Let failure find its false content in the poor world environment, but a spirit scorns it and is free. It masters times, it conquers a space, it cows the boastful trickster chance, it bids the tyrant circumstance and fill a servant place. The human will that forces unseen, the offspring of a deathless soul, can hew a way to any goal, the walls of granite intervene. Be not impatient in delay, but wait. And as one who understands, when his spirit rises and commands, the gods are ready to obey. Dear friends, what I mean to say, dream lofty dreams, and as you dream, so shall you become one day. Your vision, your ideal, your prophecy, your commitment, your drive, your dedication, your disciplined mind, persevering, persisting, striving, seeking and finding different ways and means, falling, failing, still rising, blood, toil, tears, everything you are shedding, but you are never quitting, never giving up, and whatever you want to become in life, you will be what you will to be. There is no barrier, there is no limitation. Up to what height you can rise in your life, that depends on your believing capacity, in your own ability to dream, in own ability to have a creative ideal and vision. Mind has all the power. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve for you. So dear friends, life is very short. One day we all pass away. So why not to be one of the very useful and productive human beings? Like the great man Manavratna Padma Bhushan Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, whose portrait is there and whose ideas are just flowing. You can be also great. But work very hard. Never lose your heart. Commit yourself. Dedicate yourself. And I am sure you will be a very remarkable and very useful and productive person. And that is the meaning of life. Because lives of great men all remind us, we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. But remember it, you have to pay the price. Nothing comes very free. There is nothing on this earth which comes free. There is a price for everything. That is the physical reality. That's why Longfellow wrote a poem, and it says, heights by great men reached and kept, were not attained by a sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upon the night. And Steve Jobs said, do what you love. Do what you love. If you don't love what you do, the path of success and greatness is so horrible, so difficult and so tiring, so much perspiring and so much of demanding, that you will lose your courage, your conviction, your determination and your patience, and you can never succeed. But if you love what you do, no sacrifice is great. Your commitment will drive you, your belief and faith will create the magical energy, enthusiasm, and magic there will be. The power of belief and faith, the courage and conviction will unfold its mighty strength and push you to your goal. Because nothing is impossible for the universe. You are the child of the universe, like trees and stars, and there is everything, sometimes extravagant and plenty. But simply you have to desire, and it should not be just wish and hope, but it should be the consuming obsession of your life. Please dream, desire, persevere, persist, cherish your vision, cherish your ideal. Cherish the music that forms in your mind, the loveliness that drapes in your purity of thought. And if you are really true to it, if you really mean what you want in life, then these compelling forces will unfold the delightful conditions, a heavenly environment for you. But commit yourself that you want it, and you will get it. No doubt about it. Columbus cherished the vision of a new world, he discovered it. Copernicus fostered the vision of the multiplicity world and a new world, and he also revealed it. Buddha beheld the vision of the stainless beauty and perfect peace, and he entered into the spiritual world of eternal calm, serenity. You too, my viewers, you too have the similar brain, but your attitude should be similar to the great achievers. Thank you very much. This is here Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, broadcasting from GVK Vidyanalaya of GVK MRI, Telangana State of India. Thank you.